Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the web browser on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here, as you can see guys in the right, you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find all of your installed apps and games. Right here, as you can see guys in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Store, and if you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games and also media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, as you can see guys right here, there isn't a web browser on the PlayStation 5 because it was actually removed. The web browser was available on the PlayStation 4 only, but it was removed on the PlayStation 5. Here you're gonna find media. If you go to media, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some media apps that you can use instead of the web browser. As you can see guys, you can use YouTube, Spotify, Crunchyroll, and Twitch, Netflix. Here you're gonna find all of your apps right here, and you can also download a lot of apps by going to discover or to all apps, and then right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the available applications. So we're gonna just wait for them to load, and as you can see guys right here, you can pick any applications you want to download and then just install them in your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.